Hi! Welcome back to my channel. This is Alex Balingit, founder and creator of Trading Circle. And sa video naman na to, struggling in trading, remember this. So, kung struggle ka ngayon sa trading, this is a psychology video. Tandaan mo lang to na trading is a difficult endeavor. Mahirap po talaga na field ang trading. Lahat naman siguro ng bagay mahirap talaga. Trading is a lucrative endeavor, but it doesn't mean it is easy. Alam mo yun, ulit-ulit ko nga sinasabi yung quotation ko na Forex trading is the hardest way to make easy money. So, it's a lucrative endeavor. Pero, it doesn't mean na madali siyang gawin. Sometimes kasi, people are hyping the newbies na they're going to post a lot of profits na in just 3 minutes, they earn this much. In 1 month, they earn million. So, they're luring those people who have no enough knowledge na they're trying to impose that false reality na madali trading, sige subukan yung trading. Pero in this video, I'm going to debunk all those that kasi trading requires months or even years of hardships and sacrifices. So don't look at it na parang, di madali lang yan, kaya kong yumaman agad ng ganyan. Hindi siya ganon. You have to sacrifice. May kailangan kang i-compromise. And it takes time. Your struggles right now prepare you to become a better trader. Kapag nag-struggle ka, gumagaling ka ng trader noon. Ibig sabihin. Kasi marami kang matututunan for sure dun sa struggles mo. Okay? Being emotional is part of trading. Tandaan nyo yan. Humans are naturally emotional. Lalo na kapag pera pinag-uusapan. Sometimes when we see profit, we got into that extreme happiness. Kapag naman nagkakaroon tayo ng losses, we get extremely sad, disappointed, di ba? So, you will inevitably feel emotional in trading. Kasi pera mo yun eh. Especially kung yung capital na pinasok mo, di ba, live account. Ang isip kasi ng tao, it's wired with the money na yung money na to, sana ginamit ko sa ganito. We always equate yung value ng money sa mga desires natin. So, kapag ka ngayon yung pera nawala sa trading, parang nagdi-disappear din yung dapat pala pinasok ko na lang, pinang-beach ko na lang, binili ko ng ganito. So, yung mga desires natin na yun, nawawala. Kaya attached sa pera eh. If this is the case, take a short break to calm your emotions down. Kapag naging emotional ka na, lagi kong sinasabi, do you have a dog? Walk with them. Play with them. You have a friend? Ask them to go out, coffee, take a break. Ganun lang po gawin nyo. So, socialize pa rin. Don't cage yourself inside your room. Get depressed alone because of what's happening with your trading journey. So, wag pong ganon. Diba? Wag mong ilimit yung sarili mo sa, paliitin yung mundo mo because of trading. It's okay to take a break if you feel emotional. Okay lang po yan. So, losing is part of trading. Even the best traders experience drawdowns. So, I experienced this. And even, kahit sino pang mas magagaling sa akin, ask them. They also experience drawdowns. Embracing the uncertainty of trading prepares you towards trading losses. So, kailangan mo kasing tanggapin na hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon mananalo ka, hindi porket magaling ka, laging magiging maganda yung resulta, hindi porket may proven strategy ka, laging mag-work yung proven strategy mo na yon. Tandaan mo na market is uncertain. It doesn't mean na the same setup gave you a lot of profit in the past will also give you that money na nakita mo ngayong, the same setup na yon. Hindi siya ganon. So, look at your losses squarely. Okay? Squarely. Look at it squarely. Ibig sabihin, fair. Look at it fairly. And know what they want to tell you. Tingnan mo yung sides ng losses mo. Ibig sabihin squarely, fair. Fair and just yung pagtingin mo. Saan ako nagkulang? Ano yung mali ko? Diba? Huwag mong tignan si market na, hindi, naging ganito kasi movement ni market kaya ako natalo. Pangit kasi naging galaw ni market. Hindi pangit yung naging galaw ni market. Yung galaw ni market, that's naturally, na yun na yung galaw niya. Siguro, pangit yung pagkaka-enter mo. Pangit yung timing mo. Or pangit yung ginamit mong risk-reward, pangit yung ginamit mong strategy. So, all the blame should be on you. And then the struggles will pay off. Always remember that. Wala naman sigurong struggles na hindi nagpe-pay off. Pag ang bagay, pinaghihirapan natin, meron at merong kapalit yan. You may be doubting yourself right now, okay? You might feel depressed, but all these struggles will someday pay off. Tandaan niyo po yan. Hindi naman ang buhay, mabubuhay ka ng puro hirap lang lahat. Habang nagpapatuloy ka, habang kumikilos ka, habang gumagawa ka, meron at merong mangyayari after nyan. Hindi pwedeng wala. So, yan ang reality. Okay? Yan ang reality ng mundo. Just keep on pushing through. Okay? It's okay to take a rest, but it is never okay to give up. Kasi yung taking a rest, that's not a sign of weakness. That's sign of strength. You know when to take a rest. You know when to have retreat. To retreat. Magpahinga muna, mag-relax. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, you acknowledge na meron akong pagkakamali ngayon. So, babawi ako. Babawi ako na I'll be better hindi ko babawian si market. You are more than just a trader. Tandaan niyo yan. Never let your trading losses bleed over in your life. Hindi porket nagkatalo-talo ka ng maraming beses, ibig sabihin, tatanga-tanga ka, or ibig sabihin nun, hindi ka magaling. Hindi ganun yun. Kahit na magagaling na tao, di ba, pag nag-fail sila, hindi naman ibig sabihin, mahina ang ulo nila pag nag-fail sila. Hindi naman ganun yun, okay? Your trading identity is only one of your several identities. Okay, kung sabihin natin, as a trader, ganito yung nagiging performance mo. Mahina, medyo hirap, mabagal mag-cope up. Okay, baka sa trading, ganyan ka. Pero baka sa ibang aspect naman, for example, marunong ka mag-graphic designing, video editing, baka magaling ka dun. So ngayon, huwag ka ma-depress dahil natalo ka sa trading kasi you are more than just a trader. Whatever happens to your performance, the result of your hard work, hindi iyon na magiging basihan kung ano yung galing mo bilang tao, okay? You may be temporarily experiencing trading failures right now, but never forget other aspects of your life where you are successful and fulfilled. So meron dito, police na scam ng 3 million, may-ari ng farm, hindi siya yung totally farmer, na scam ng 5 million, di ba? Magagaling silang tao sa ibang field. They excelled in, sa pagsiserve sa government, like police. Nag-excel sila na mag-establish ng farm. Pero it doesn't mean na porket na scam sila, mahinang tao sila, na wala na silang kakayanan. No, we cannot judge them ng gano'n, ng hindi, di ba? Just because of that one aspect sa trading na nangyari sa kanila. Okay? So, the struggles will pay off. Just keep on trading. So, this is just a friendly reminder yung video na to na if you're struggling in trading, just remember everything I said. So, kung meron kang natutunan na inspire ka sa video na to, comment down below, leave a like and subscribe, and see you sa next na video ko. Hi! Thank you for watching this video, at kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to, just click like, subscribe, and mag-comment ka na rin. At kung gusto mo pa ng mas maraming content about forex trading dahil ito yung interest mo, well, I created a lot of videos. Nandyan lang sa side yung playlist at mga recently created videos ko. So, click mo lang yan at panoorin mo. See you there!